Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the connectivity issue using simple checks you can do fast. Toggle airplane mode on then off and toggle Wi-Fi off then on to reset radios. Make sure you are connected to the intended network name and band. Check whether you are on 4 GHz or 5 GHz and move within 10 feet or 3 meters of the router for testing. If prompted, forget the network. Then reconnect using the exact Wi-Fi password to eliminate saved credential errors. If diagnosis did not fix the issue, perform a full reboot sequence beginning with your phone. Power the phone off, wait 10 seconds, then power it back on to refresh services. Next, power cycle the router and modem by unplugging both for 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first, then the router. While rebooting, check for and apply any router firmware updates and install the latest phone OS updates. After reboot, confirm your phone has a DHCP-assigned IP and the correct gateway address. When simple steps fail, try advanced fixes starting with a network settings reset on your phone. This action restores Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and VPN settings but preserves your personal data. If interference is suspected, log into the router and change the 4 GHz channel to 1, 6, or 11, or switch bands to 5 GHz if supported. Test the phone on another network or a mobile hotspot to isolate the device. If all else fails, contact your ISP for outages or consider a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.